Ubak Prestone Tynsong State President ke National People's Party Meghalaya Unit bot sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jalau bari pejak tenat kampo yengulakan ter teng ke jing berngam kiwe ki seng san hima ban lech Supreme Court halor ke jing keno bau konrad ke sang ma National President jong ke NPP bot Menteri Rangba ke Jalau bau triam ban kro bot pengop yaki MLA na kiwe pat ki seng san hima. Habukrana ke jing lang priang buram ke jing wan penyaso lai ngot ki MLA sya ke parti ketau ba Charles Marngar na Umsning constituency ubak Gabriel Wak lang na Nongston constituency baru Dr. Celestine Lingdo na Umsning constituency haga janmiet jong ke khat khandai treng nailar arja arpusau ubak Prestone ulaong bakadai ka mon jong ki ke jing Shah Pynbieit ulaong baki MLA ki bawan penyaso menta kasngi ki la Phla Shem Mynsiem baki Shah Pynbieit Haswa kini ubak Prestone Tynsong ulaong bagi nu ki seng san hima ki bos ngau khia kin ngau ba banwan nya so no yala die bat ke NPP
Keluar di keren lai pujan teruskin. Ngasio I betul dia kau menangin leceh Supreme Court. Apabila Shah yang berat sama National President, hana ba udeng master yang kepucing. They said Chief Minister and the National President of NPP, his master in poaching MLAs. So I just say, yes. If you want to do that, yes, let us prove it is true. We are ready for that. But let me tell you one thing. This is not the place of drama. This is the place. The family of NPP is the place to serve the state. Irrespective, you are from which sector, from which denomination, but we are here to serve the state. They nakata-katao kaba plot ba kini kilay ko kaya nga di betul berom jadi kiwan ban penyesno manyetekan. Point number 2. Today morning I had a meeting with all the 3 blocks. Nongston block, Umsning, and also Mawhati. So we already shared our views, our concern, everything. And ultimately, even all the block members of these 3 blocks, 3 consensus, they welcome all the 3 of you sincerely, but to make sure that the commitment they made before me being the president, I would like to request all the 3 members. I told them, me, working president, will have a meeting of the block NPP along with all of you. All the 3 places, I will go myself and we'll have a meeting so that ultimately we understand that we are from the same family and we will carry on the motto, the program, the agenda of the party, serving the best convenient of the people of those 3 constituencies. So very soon after the session, we will have a meeting. But nasa tip ikiti borok I would akan fix ke meeting. Kaway Nongston, kaway Mawhati, but kaway Antay Hapo Umsning. Kata kapag nila ay Pynbieit, jadi kaway sipun ang naging gini kinong blocks kibaban, temenedon kibamlatanwan, hakaba I babuglemen kum Presiden jong district iladon lang, de gisnubok Presiden jong district na west yuap panwan ke kita don lang ito program. Namar kumo omi pinitlen kiu pinitlen ya ka ne ka meeting lo hindon mata ne basuto ka tinlay ya don lang kaju kajing berkat kata kali kecinya sino joni siye kisem bat milwa ban bertelun ya karoi kapal jom gilay construction bachong kejelai barakoi de shwabang shong se sisin patnai kulei ki barok de kamtam nasroban omba kaburom kalong yo blei nong bu nong thao kabaan asu perkat aladi nasimba unong yang berapa juni unong sen ye babati NPP le pi isanga na kernen sehet Mynsiem bejumi ikut ku nangte na bangingin na panui kung kibri na kadaw kapulong yagi bangin nang kiyo ni nangla paniya syakra haga jing trekan trejan
Habatin pej bahagi kishap ka Shah plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka Shah plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka Shah plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.